Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing this for you. I wanted to unbox it because there's nothing to unbox. So this was a tenner. I thought you're getting a full set for this price. Because in the past I've paid £10 for two. In the past I've also paid £7 for two. So that's £3.50 each. Here you get one, so you're paying for one, you're paying a tenner. It's a fucking rip-off. But they deceive you because in the description it says it's for plates, not plate, which is singular, which means one. It's not that, it says plates. I'll show you right now, guys. 1 second. Hey, I'll come past it. 1 second, guys. There you go. So it's for number plates. That's the only reason I bought it, because I thought it'd be for two. Even the reviews say that. So what the hell have they done here? You know what I mean? Who the fuck's gonna pay £10 for one? You can get two for £7. So you're saving £13 buying it elsewhere for a full set. What the hell is this? One for a tenner, guys. And there's no, it's the same cheap plastic the Chinese people use. You know? There's no fucking difference. So yeah, Halfords is a rip-off. Do not buy off them if you're looking for replacement number plates. I'll put in the description one that I recommend, and hopefully it's still there by the time you look at it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.